Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as promised, I will show you if Jason Markk ready-to-use foam and Suede and Nubuck hair kit are effective sneaker cleaners. But before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell, especially those new to this channel. Let's get started. So here I will use two brushes, a horsehair brush and nylon or sole brush. We will also use a microfiber towel and most of all the RTU foam and Clyde care kit, which are our main materials for this cleaning session. By the way, I would also recommend using a toothbrush with a soft bristle if you are cleaning suede or even nubuck materials. Just a little information before we clean the shoe. This pair of shoes has been in use for almost a month and you can see the pair is dirty. There are stains all over the shoes and I'm not sure what those are. Maybe there are grease stains on the toe box and I'm not sure if we can really remove those using our sneaker cleaners. But let's see. So that's it, guys. I did everything I could, but the grease stain was too strong that the Jason Markk ready-to-use foam and Clyde, Suede, and Nubuck hair kit didn't work properly. But please feel free to type in your comments, suggestions, and even recommendations, especially on how I can get rid of that stain thing. Now, before I go, if you want to purchase the sneaker cleaners I used here, the link is in the description box. Thanks, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to keep you posted on my new videos. Thanks for watching!